Lovebrittnyj. If this is your first time coming to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're not, welcome back. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and also check me out on my social media. It's gonna be right there in the corner. Now let's get into the video. So as you can tell by the title, I'll be giving you a review on the investment app Betterment. So if you don't know what Betterment is, it's basically a friendly investment app for beginners or people that are interested in investing and don't really know exactly what type of company they want to invest in, but they know they want to invest. So with my experience with Betterment, I have been using Betterment for at least about a year or so, but recently, like 6 months ago, I decided to take my money out of it, so I withdraw my money from it. But now I'm back on it and I have started back investing. So with Betterment, I'm just going to give you a few little tips about it. So you can start off, they ask you, there's different types of accounts that you can open up with Betterment. It's from like an emergency fund to savings to investment. So I just decided to open an investment account with Betterment. So right now, with the investment account, they ask you if you want to do a moderate risk, or you want to do intermediate, or you just want to take it up a notch and just say high risk when you're investing into the stock market. So I did moderate risk because I do have a goal of investing as much as I want in order for me to get in a return of the amount of money that I decided to that I thought I was going to invest in for like 40 years. So to give you an option, it's telling you, it asks you exactly how much money, what's your goal of how much money you expect to have in a certain amount of time with your investing, with your investments. So if you say like 40 years, I expect to have $250,000, they're going to set up an account to where by 40 years from now, you're going to have that $250 ready for you once you start, due to your investing so much money within the account. So like I said, I have been using Betterment for a while, so I know exactly how it works. So with that being said, instead of having individual stock markets that you can invest in, Betterment provides you with a portfolio that fits your personality, basically your personality, what you want in life. It acclimates everything and make into one thing. So for me, I have 90% stocks and 10% bonds. If you don't put the description right here, that's what stocks and bonds mean. I'm gonna put it right there so you exactly know what it is. So with the Betterment app, like I said, I have 90% stocks, 10% bonds. So with that, I make sure that I set up deposits. So you can do automatic deposits, or you can do a one-time payment of how much money you want in order for you to invest in. So for me, I decided to do, as of now, I'm doing like $65 per month for my account. But beforehand, before I had it like previously, I would do like $35 every 2 weeks in my account. So that's like $70. But since I'm only doing it one time, since I reopened it, I do $65 a month. So with that being said, as of now, and then also, so with the $65, it goes into that stocks and bonds, and then it distributes, and then whatever my stocks and bonds are, if the company gives me a dividend, if they offer dividends, then I'll just get the dividend from there. But if not, I just keep building my money. So I'm investing with the money that I have already. So it continues to accumulate until I reach my goal, which is, I don't really know what my goal is right now, but I want to have enough money to where when I'm done investing, I can live off of it, basically. So I give you, and I'm also going to put a screen record on what my account look like right now to show you exactly what I'm doing and how it looks. I'll put that right there. But basically, Betterment is a investment app that can, with Betterment, like I said, I have 90% stocks, 10% bonds. I'm investing in it monthly. And then with the, like I said, when the companies that I don't really know what companies I'm investing in, it's basically a portfolio. So it's multiple companies, multiple bonds that I'm a part of that I'm putting money in so I can get something in return. So like I said, some companies give you dividends. You can see the dividends that you are getting. But as of now, like I like Betterment, but it's not I wouldn't say it was more of a go-to app for me, because I feel like I'm not getting enough dividends, or I may have taken a lot of time, more time than usual to get the dividends. But if this is something that you want, if you're interested in, if you don't know exactly what type of stocks that you want to invest in, but you know you want to invest, then I would suggest getting Betterment. But if you know exactly what type of stocks and bonds that you want to invest in, what type of stock market that you want to be a part of, I don't think this is a good app for anyone that's doing that. If anybody wants to do that. But if you're just looking to invest, this is a good app for you. Like I said, I enjoy investing in the app, but I just expect more dividends or stuff like that, so I can actually see where my money is going. But like I said, I have been getting a few dividends from the investment app. And then also, there's no fee for you to start. I think there's no fee for you to start. It's free as of now. But like, say for instance, you want to take your money out, that's when a fee occurs. But other than that, there's no fee to start. And you can start with, I started out with, like I said, $35, but I'm pretty sure you can start at least, I want to say $10 or more. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if you know exactly how much you could start with. But that's how much I started with, was $35 twice a month. So investing, this is a good app for you if you are looking to invest. Now your dividends not gonna come fast. That's me. That's my problem. I've been expecting to get dividends like quick as soon as I put in money, but it's gonna take time to accumulate. So if you're interested in investing in no area, then I say Betterment is a good good realm for investing. If you just want to invest in a portfolio, you just say you're investing, you want to invest. So like I said, if you're interested in investing, I suggest this investment app for you. If you enjoyed this video, and if this is something that you have used before, please make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts about the app. But I really enjoyed the opportunity that I use to invest. So I encourage you guys, if you are interested or thinking about investing, like, this is a good app to start with if you don't know exactly what markets you want to invest in, but you just want to invest. So I encourage you guys, because financial wealth is where it's at, and we want to do it. We want to create generational wealth around here. So I'm trying to start that. So so I encourage you guys to start it too, and start earlier. Then don't wait till later to start, because it's important that you start now if you're thinking about investing. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. Hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you won't know when I drop another video. And also, it helps me out a lot, because I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to help a girl out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, okay? So, watching, and always remember to love yourself and be yourself.